Hi, so today we're gonna do a little cooking. We're gonna cook some orzo, your favorite dish. You like orzo? Yeah, he loves orzo. So we're gonna do a little cooking. No knives, buddy, no knives. All right, and check it out. Yeah. Some broccoli. Broccoli. All right, so we need broccoli. We will cut this up. Watch out. Knife. Alright. It's Dad's job right now. So we'll take that. I'm going to cut it up into some smaller pieces. Alright. And then that can go in the little chopper. Chopper! You pull the little bushes off. Yeah, put them in here. Good job. Can you pull them apart? No, I got the knife. No knife for you. There we go. Cut that in half. Cut that in half. Alright. Bump. 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 Alright. I'm gonna chop those. Oh, jeez. Push. You push those? Push, push, push. Keep pushing. There you go. Push, push, push. Cooking with Logan. All right. Boom, 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 boom. Good job. Hey! Hey! Good job. All right. Dump that in there. Nicely chopped. Do it again. Push! Next, zucchini! Can you say zucchini? Zucchini! Yeah, alright, so we'll do... we'll just do half. Half. Say half? Half. Good job. Alright, so we'll cut that into slices. There we go. Pop them in here. And what's the next step? Push! Push up, push up, push up, push up. Yeah, more zucchini? Should we just do it all? Alright, we'll just do it all. What's next? Yeah, what are those? Carrots? You say carrots? Carrots. Good job. Alright, so yeah, carrots. You like carrots, don't you? Yeah. Whoa. fall off the stool. You gonna take a bite? What's up, Doc? Pretty good? Okay. Little taste test there. Alright. What we're gonna do is chop those too. Alright, so watch those fingers. Dad uses the knife. Let's cut up the one you actually bit. Another bite? You can take another bite. That's the best part of cooking. That's a big piece. Nom, 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 nom. Alright, you toss it in there. How about the rest of them?
Okay, so it's gonna be a little harder. Okay, push it, push. Oh, it's really hard. Ready? Yep. Keep chopping. Cool. You right? Okay. Ooh, that is well chopped. Look at all that carrot. Competitor, good job.
That's a lot of vegetables. Yeah, I don't think we need more carrot. Do we need more carrot? Nah, carrots are pretty strong. Unless you want to take another bite. Yeah, good. Okay. Alright, we're making orzo with colorful glazed vegetables out of first meals. Baby. Alright, so next step, gotta boil some water. Put some orzo in it. Alright, you ready? Aye. So we screwed up. Yeah, you're supposed to boil the water and then put it in the pasta. We just put the water in, didn't we? Yeah. So now we gotta strain it, and which we did. See here.
Hi.
Hi. Yeah, so we're boiling some water over there. Yep, and then once that's boiled, once it's boiled, we'll put it in with the rest of the stuff here. Yeah. All right, so now that we've boiled the water, it's now in the pot and cooks for about 12 minutes. And then we stir it. That's what you want to do, isn't it? Stir. Yeah, that's what you want to do. All right. So after that, we melt butter in a pan. Then we stir in the pasta and vegetables. And then we add grated cheese. And it's ready. Is that good pasta? Gonna stir? What are you doing? One minute. One more minute. Okay, like I said. We're gonna drain it. Alright? Stand. Alright, it's hot. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drain it. That was terrible recording. Yeah, we gotta put butter in there. Butter! 2 tablespoons of butter. Just grab a knife. Butter. What's next? Amazon cheese. Cheese. You want to realize you didn't put enough butter in there. Yeah. You did not put enough butter in there. Because we didn't measure anything.
Turn the stove down. It's going real long. Can you pour some cheese in? Almost. Now turn the other way. Turn the other way.
Ooh, like that. Whoa! Close, bud. Ah, there's cheese right there. Put this down. Down. Thank you. And you're gonna hold this. Both hands. Thank you. All right, shake it over that. No, 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 no. Let go, let go. Thank you. Shake the cheese. Shake this. Shake this. Cheese. I know you really like to stir things. You really like to stir things, right? Oh, okay, buddy. I think we're done. I think we're done. Say yay. Yeah, cool. And then you can eat some. Stir it a bit. Good job. Wash that hand. You like our meal? Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey.
Some delicious orzo with colorful vegetables. Broccoli, zucchini, carrots. Mmm, delicious. Good cooking. See you next time. Okay, bye.
Hi.
Good job. Thanks for watching our videos. We hope our adventures and outings encourage you to get out of your house with your kids and explore the world. Can you say bye?
Hi.
Subscribe and tweet.
Hi.